hair and makeup. What's the look? What's the look? What's the look? Let me show y'all. Hey y'all, okay, today, so I'm doing a quick little what's the look. So yeah, I'm going to have a makeup, clothes, and hair segment called what's the look. So since I want to play, let's play. Playing with your makeup is really just seeing what happens. Like, this is literally how you play with your style. This is just getting the look, playing with your style. I believe that's how anything comes about. It's just playing. Seeing what do you like, what do you don't like. If I wouldn't have threw that crazy looking purple on here, I wouldn't have gotten this beautiful purple and pink mix. Watch when I blend that gold back in the mix. Beautiful. Just a little of me, too little of you. What can I say if I know you're not here to stay? I can't explain something not. Dang, don't that remind you of that song? How did I let you get out of hand? I've been getting very bold with my makeup lately. You never know what you're gonna like, what you're gonna come up with until you're done. But with me, I'm a very confident person, I would like to think. So once something is done, it's done. We ain't going back, girl. We ain't going back. Can't say that because if you follow my Instagram, you know I was like playing with my hair for literally days before I decided to just throw my locks back in. Continue the light stroke. Now turn your pencil like diagonal and just throw little brushes. What is this? You see what I'm doing. So then it'll come off like that's the way your hair is. Just fill in spots. Go from the bottom where you started your line. Do the same thing. Just to get that harsh, blunt line to go away. When you get right back to the top again, dab in there just a little bit more, wipe it off, and just whoop, 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 whoop. Okay with me, girl. ladies, I know I made a video last week about why the men cheat, so fellas, today I'm here for you.
Hey, she getting lost in this music, she dance around the spot, yeah, that shit is amusing. She'll be my muse for the night, while these lights are still low, I'ma go ahead and move and we fuse and she
kill them every time.